Is a mark of a good tape measure. You see how far that's stuck out there? And it ain't caved in yet? And that's why I bought this. Cutting these 4x8 sheets for my shop, my garage. I realized what a piece of junk tape measure I had. You get it out 5 or 6 feet and it would collapse. Anyway, this little video is to tell you that I'm not doing anything today on my garage or tomorrow. Today I had to take my wife to her pulmonologist, and she does have COPD. So she's going to keep taking the inhaler that she's been taking. Now, keep in mind that we both smoked up until 30 years ago. And besides that, we spent the rest of our life driving a truck. And, my wife is kind of a neat nut. I know we have, blankets everywhere, but that's because we have dogs. But she sweeps this floor every day. She mops it once a week. You could eat off the toilets, and I'm not kidding. She scrubs them. Yeah, and I like things clean. If she didn't do it, I would, because I like having stuff clean. And the kitchen's always immaculate and picked up. We just got back from the grocery store. And why was I telling you that? I have no idea. Oh. So anyway, she used to clean the truck every day. Wipe the dashboard. I did the windows. And every day at the end of a day, you could take a wet wipe and wipe it across the dashboard, and it would be black with soot. So that's what we breathed for 20 years. Me for closer to 40 years. And I think that's why we're having the breathing trouble that we're having now, is because, number one, we smoked. And, of course, we grew up in the 60s and 70s, so it wasn't just cigarettes we smoked. No, I'm saying. And even though we quit, decades ago, the damage is showing up now. So that's why I've done nothing today. And tomorrow I get Billy, and I am going to buy me a brand new toolbox, a big one. And I'm going to go ahead and get it tomorrow. I wasn't going to get it until I was done. It was going to be the last thing I put in my garage. But right now it's on sale. It's $100 off. Plus I get my veterans discount, which will knock another $70 off. 78, almost $80 off. So I'm going to go ahead and get it tomorrow. And I got to go to Marshall and fill out some homeowners tax stuff. And then I got to take my wife to Penneys where she can pay her credit card off. Because Penneys, they won't take a debit card when you call them to make a payment. And they won't send you a bill because when she got this credit card, it automatically signed her up for no paperless. So they want your checking account number in order to pay the bill online. And she's just not going to do that. So we're going over to Penneys in Shreveport, paying that stupid card off, and she's not going to use it anymore. And what else? Walmart. Anyway, we got a big day of running around, and I'm going to go to Lowe's and get that toolbox. I'll search the internet and see if I can get a picture of it, and I will put it in the next thing you see, if I find it, will be the picture. So, what is today? Wednesday? You'll see this in the morning, Thursday. Have a great Thursday, y'all. And Friday, I'm going to paint, and probably Saturday. And so I'll do my Saturday thing, and then Sunday, I'll show you a video of what I got done so far and my brand new shiny toolbox. See you Sunday, or Saturday, but you'll see something from me Sunday. Have a good few days.